Okay, today is the 6th of July 2017, and here is the what I have done so far with the waterfall. I'm going to get the pump started. I bought a little bit of wood chips for decorative purposes. So what I'm going to do now is line this all around. Okay, it needs more wood chips. Whew. And then I have a little sunflower plant. It's growing big. Look how pretty. And I love this type of design. I could put turtles here or pollywogs. Let's later turn so my grandchildren could see the nature of how their offspring is. And that is what I'm going to do for now, and I'm going to, don't pay attention to that other part. Act like you don't see it. But anyways, I'm going to work on this right now. But it is a pretty, once I get the water flowing down, it is pretty. I had to, because I found these rocks right under, in a field, all covered in bushes, so you can see that there. I don't know what it's called, but they collected so much dirt, or I don't know what's on it, but that's why I had to have this wire brush, and I was trying to clear it, and I did clear it a lot, because they were really grimy and ugly. You see there how it's coming apart? I don't know if you could see that. So I think it's dirt built up, but this is some type of weird dirt built up. That's what it is. See, and the rocks come out so beautiful and shiny. I can't reach that part yet, but this is already cemented on. Let's use my other hand. Oops. So this is these rocks. I'm just setting them. They're not cemented, these top ones, because I still need to put cement over that where the water will flow down. Okay, and that's it. I will show you the finishing result after. Okay, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed watching.